We're in Scotland today, walking in the southern uplands, Galloway Forest Park. We are walking towards Merrick, which is about 800 odd metres, and from there we're hoping to make time to camp by Loch. We'll just have to see, because it's about 20 past 1. We've only got about 3 hours of light left, and we've just got over 4 miles to go. It's the problem with winter, isn't it? So far not too bad. The winds are meant to be quite strong. They were battering the side of us on the way in the van up here. But we're planning to do 2 nights camping. We haven't got a major plan for tomorrow. We're just gonna pack up, have an explore round, set up camp, and then return back on Sunday. Yeah. You'll be taking your canoe down there. Quite a nice walk so far. Started off near Glentrool and walked alongside the River Cree. Looks a bit drizzly on the hilltops, but it's passing by quickly. It's going to be the winds when we go up there that's the problem. Hopefully when we find a place to camp it should be sheltered. It's quite boggy going at the minute. There's been a lot of rain here over the last week, it seems. So you're going to go through or round?
Or over these, which is what they're for, isn't it? The dexterity of the follow.
I was hoping for a fall.
Sorry for this one. Chicken and mushroom, pea and ham.
Nice. Into the misty mountains. Here's Dave coming out the mist. It's been steep going. Got another 400 metres or so to go. Stunning mountain views. Can't beat it, can you? All set up now in the tents. It's very blowy. We've not made it quite to the first peak even. We're just under about 600 metres, just over 600 metres. Set up our tents against the wall, which is just taking the edge off the wind, which is coming in quite hard. Yeah, quite like the tent. It's set up well. It's cosy. I'm a bit more used to a two-man tent with 2 doors and, well, 3 doors. But, I really can't complain at this. It's very light, so lightweight. I mean, I've taken so much weight out my backpack with it, and it's doing its job. The ground is extremely boggy, so we'll see how good the waterproofing of the floor is without a footprint. Right. So, just taking a bit of a moment to relax, because that last bit was slowing down. The wind was really starting to hit a chill. And then I'm gonna make some tea. It's at 25 to 5 now. I've got all my coat, night gear on. Got my new quilt on. Very cosy, quite warm. Little head place, pretty cool. Keep me cosy like this. Decided to go for a quilt. Try a quilt out, lighter weight, save some more space in the backpack. Oh, it's raining now. We just got set up just in time. Wind is giving a bit of a battering every now and again. It's calming down a bit to what it was. But be a good test for the tent tonight and all my gear. Gonna get some food on soon. So I've just cooked up my tea. Didn't film it because I'm on a bit of a slope. So I've got Huel and a hot chocolate. So I'll be keep me nice and warm. I'm all in my kit. It's still raining, wind is still blowing, so I've got Mexican chili fuel. Hopefully that should be tasty. Water didn't look that nice, but put it through the filter, boiled it, it'll be fine. It's about 6:20 and we're both really knackered, pretty much falling asleep already. 6:20 on a Friday night like wild party animals. It's raining still quite a bit. Wind's starting to die off now, so should be a quieter night. Just had some people pass by and ask if we were alright, but a bit confused because we're quite settled. Well, it seems harder to go down in the dark, but didn't get out to see. Just shouted back at them. We're off the path and behind the wall. Yeah. So probably see you in the morning. Good morning. It's about 7:30. It's rained all night. The wind's picked up again this morning. I've slept pretty well though. I'm on a bit of a slope going down towards my feet. You want the most ideal place to pitch, but we sort of just had to make do at the time. Tents held up really well. There's a little bit of dampness in it on the inner, just a few little drops here and there. I'm not sure if it's from condensation or just where the wind has blown and the inner into the fly sheet, and it's nothing serious. I've been warm all night. I haven't felt any drops on me. Impressive views this morning. I'm pleased with my tent. Certainly did a good job. Kept me warm and cosy. Now we've got to pack up in this crap. All packed up now. I've left no trace. This is the ground. Don't know if I'm picking out how squelchy it is. So it was a good test. Just waiting for tape now. Yeah, views for days, mate. Come down off the mountain and the visibility's improved. So we didn't make it to Loch. We didn't make it in time last night, and then it was just terrible up on the tops. Yeah, didn't fancy going through a path through bogs, because there's no actual path. We would have been beating our way through. Couldn't even see anything from the tops. So we're going to head down to the bothy, take a few moments to dry off, make ourselves some hot food, and then just have a look around to see where we can set up camp tonight. It's a shame about the visibility, because it looks like there would have been stunning views from the tops. We've made it down to the bothy. We've just had some dinner and a coffee. Feel a lot better now we've had some hot food. It's lovely now down here while we're out of all that mist. It was relentless. So it's just nice to take a bit of a shelter. We're able just to cook easily. Nice level ground, obviously. We're now just gonna plan where we're gonna go next. We might go towards Loch, see if there's anywhere. But even if, we could always come back here and pitch up our tents in this, by these little wooded walls. There's a stream behind us, perfect for water. So we're camping here by the bothy. There's a nice little shelter bit with a nice view. Decided not to push on to find somewhere where we don't know. But Dave's already set up, just airing out the tent. It's just about 2:30 now. It's a good view. If the nice sun's rise, it'll be coming over the east here. Just over these walls. Bothy's just over there. Can't be seen by it, but it's what they're here for. Nice stream. Plenty of flowing water. It's nice and clear compared to the bog water that we were using last night. Ready to set myself up now. All set up. It's looking sturdy. It was sturdy in the winds last night, so I'm confident it'll be good tonight. We've got plenty of water. It's my little setup. Got my food and cooked stuff ready to go. The mat's ready. Just gotta get my sleeping bag and into my dry gear. But as you can see, it's actually not too bad as amount of space. I've just put the head part up just because I'm gonna give it a bit more inflation. But it's not too bad for a space, considering. It's a really good tent. I've been impressed with it. Ground's a bit rocky, so it's taken a bit to set up. Just going to start cooking the tea. I can actually show you how to cook tonight because last night I was not on level ground. I had to hold the boiler all the time. There was no room with all the wind and rain. Right, get up the ridge. Water boiling. Oh, it's a peaceful night. It's got a cloud cover. Can't see anything now. I'm blinded by light. So, back myself up. Load of pouches of pure Mexican chili. On that in a minute. I'll leave it for 5 minutes. Brewing up for a hot chocolate with a Twix straw. conditions and mud's in. It's 8:25 now. It's been a good trip. Had a hot chocolate. My battery ran out on my camera. It's a much more peaceful night down here. And there's a bit of gust blowing behind us and clearing the wind, but we're protected by the trees and the wall. It's nice and level as well tonight. That was a problem last night. It's falling down all night. So it should be easy tomorrow. We'll be able to take it fairly easy. We get a nice warm breakfast. There's plenty of water nearby. Looking forward to that. Have a warm breakfast. 3.5 miles back. Then 5 hours drive home. Hopefully we'll wake up to a nice view today rather than the shit view of grey, bleak. Sunrise at 7:45. So about 11 hours, 10 hours, whatever. Too tired to count. I'll probably say goodnight and see what views are in the morning. Oh, good morning. It's 7:45. The sun's just risen. It's pretty good conditions, a little bit windy. But it's looking good. It's good to pack up. No trace left. We're pretty much finished now. Just a mile left to the car. Just taking a quick break before we get to the car. Have a sit down, get some drink in us. That's it. It's a glorious day now. Typical. The day we leave is fantastic. But it was a good challenge.